Trying out the O3 for the first time ever. Tommy's drone, he smashed mine last time, so let's see. Excuse me. Sorry, they just have a drone. If you just, yeah, perfect, thank you. He's trying analog for the second time. But this is my...
Oh my God, no, something's wrong. Those rates, I can't, bro.
Yeah.
Very small.
Yeah.
Very small.
Yeah, just think with the throttle a little bit less.
But,
Whoa.
Whoa.
What happens today? Oh, I'm just kidding. I'll be a good boy. Yes, it's recording. Okay. This is cool. Let's see voltage. It's so clear. There goes all my battery power. This thing sucks battery power, huh?
yeah. Especially with the GoPro, I think, too.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Impressions, you like?
Smooth. Yeah, your thing feels. Those sticks are fighting me.
Yeah, huh?
The Tango has the tight sticks, so it's just like fighting the sticks to be able to do stuff. I feel the latency, but the difference between the latency here and the latency with the Vista
Yeah.
is that the Vista gets a lot blurrier. This one doesn't get as blurry.
Okay.
But I can still feel the latency. I like to. Oh, there's naked.
I think I got this on the...
Well, the drone feels good. Like this is actually the best feeling 5-inch. Well, maybe it's just because it's such a nice viewing experience. But also I'm now used to flying 40.
Careful, these people.
Don't worry. You say there's people?
Cheeky boy.
What?
Cheeky boy. I was filming you.
Woo. That feels good. It's just weird because of the like. It looks so nice. Like it's just so clear. I thought it would. I don't know. I thought it would be like better. It kind of just looks like a Vista.
Yeah.
It just looks like a Vista.
It's probably because of the V2s, I think. That's I think on the goggle too, it must be sicker. Oh, careful! Bro, oh no, man.
Okay everyone, we have some very exciting news. I finally have a really good tune onto a stock discus, so you'll be able to take the Crux 35 and just stick it onto the discus and have a good tune. This is flying with, my propellers are all mashed up and everything, so there's a little bit of shakiness and whatever, but if you put fresh propellers and fresh frame and fresh motors, it'll be nice and smooth. I'm going to show you how nice this little thing can rip now.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, promise, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all